Hello, dear students. All this while we had been speaking about bones. We think कि ये जो movement हो रही है, I'm moving, I'm displacing my body from one place to other, I'm moving my hands. All this is only because of the bones. No. Muscle is also a very important part of this locomotion that is displacing the body from one place to other and movement. मसल्स भी बोन्स एक्चुअली मसल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके बोन्स को मूव कराते हैं. So muscles are also an important part in this chapter. We have divided this chapter into two parts. The skeletal part, that is the bones, and the muscle. So in this lecture, we are going to see about the muscles. Now muscles, they are cells which are mesodermal in origin. Embryonically, हमारी body 3 germ layers से बनती है, ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. So muscles are cells which are mesodermal in origin. And muscle is a tissue. Muscle is a tissue which is made up of combination of many myocytes, that are the muscle cells. So myocytes मिलके बनाते हैं muscle. What is a tissue? Tissue is a group of similar cells performing the same function. बहुत सारे structurally similar cells, functionally similar cells एक tissue बनाते हैं, जैसे कि muscle tissue. So muscle is going to be made up of myocytes, which are the muscle cells. Cells in this tissue which is the muscle. Myocytes को muscle fibers भी बोलते हैं because these cells they are present in the form of long fibers. इनकी shape round और oval नहीं होती है जैसे हमारे दूसरे cells होते हैं. They are also called muscle fibers. तो बहुत सारे myocytes, muscle fibers मिलके बनाते हैं एक muscle. These muscles, they make up around 40 to 50% weight of our body. हमारी body का जो weight है, almost 40 to 50% of our body weight is made up of muscles. So they make up 40 to 50% weight of our body. Very important MCQs with mesodermal in origin. Alright, they are made up of myocytes, that is the muscle fibers. These will be structurally and functionally similar cells जो एक tissue बनाएंगे, which is the muscle. And it makes up around 40 to 50% weight of the body. Now these muscles can be primarily classified into 3 types. We can primarily classify them on the basis of 3 types. The first type is depending on their structure. So the first is depending on structure. What is their structure? All right. The second type is depending on their location. Depending on their location. And the third type is depending on their control. किसके कंट्रोल में है? If they are under your will control, मैं अपना हाथ मूव कर रही हूँ, this is under my will. But I cannot control my cardiac muscles. मैं मेरे हार्ट के मसल्स की एक्टिविटी को कम और ज्यादा नहीं कर सकती हूँ. It is not under my will. So depending on control, this is the third type. Depending on control. So the muscles can be primarily classified depending on structure, depending on their location, and depending on their control. Now by structure I mean whether striations are present or not. अल्टरनेटिव लाइट डार्क बैंड्स ऐसे दिखते हैं मसल टिश्यू में. So if these alternating light dark bands are present, these are because of proteins present inside the muscle. We will speak which proteins are these. Okay, muscle majority is made up of proteins. So alternative light and dark bands which are present. All right. So depending on presence of striations are present. Striations present and striations absent. Striations are alternate light and dark bands. Striations present में दो muscles आएंगे, the skeletal muscle and the cardiac muscle. Both will show striations. Whereas striations absent में आएगा smooth muscle. The name is smooth because ये striations absent रहेंगे. The name is smooth muscle because ये striations नहीं दिखेंगे, plain smooth surface दिखेगा. So the examples will be the smooth muscle over here, striations absent. Striations will be present, that is alternate light and dark bands will be present in both the skeletal and the cardiac muscles. Now let us see the second type depending on their location. हमारी बॉडी में मसल्स कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं, उस लोकेशन के हिसाब से we classify them again into three types. The first is skeletal muscle. Second is cardiac muscle. And the third is smooth muscle. Now what is a skeletal muscle? Skeleton मतलब हमारे बॉडी के bones. We have seen this. Skeleton मतलब हमारी बॉडी के bones. So bones के साथ associated जो muscles रहेंगे वो होंगे skeletal muscle. All the bones associated with the skeleton of the body, ये हमारे skeleton के साथ associated होंगे, हमारे bones के साथ associated होंगे. These will be the skeletal muscle. Now the cardiac muscle, the muscles associated with the heart. Cardiac itself is telling you. So the muscles associated or present in the heart will be the cardiac muscle. And the muscles present in our internal organs, in our internal visceral organs. Visceral मतलब हमारी बॉडी के internal organs, like your kidneys, your stomach, your digestive tract, your arteries, veins, that is the blood vessels, urinary bladder, uterus, ये सब हमारे internal organs हैं. Those organs don't have bones. Understand it very nicely. The muscles which will be associated with internal organs. All right. So इसमें आ जाएंगे सारे हमारे internal visceral organs. The urinary bladder. All right. The uterus, the lungs, the blood vessels, the kidneys, the digestive tract. Everything will be included over here in the smooth muscle. So ये सारे examples आप लिख लो यहाँ पे. Respiratory muscles, alimentary tract, the digestive tract, stomach, all right, urinary bladder, uterus, blood vessels, ये सारे आ जाएंगे smooth muscles में. हमारे eye के muscles, all those which we cannot control, which will be not associated with bone, आ जाएंगे smooth muscles में. So according to the location, muscles can be classified as skeletal, cardiac and smooth muscles. Now the third classification is depending on control. If you can control the activity of the muscle by your own will, it is voluntary muscle. Voluntary means under your will, under your control. You can control the movement of your hand. I don't want to move it now to my shoulder. मैं control कर सकती हूँ. If I want to move it to my shoulder, I will move it. It is under my will. Skeletal muscles, they are under our will. They are under our control. So they are voluntary muscles. Whereas your cardiac muscles, your internal muscles, muscles on your blood vessels, muscles on your stomach, you cannot control the movement of muscles on your stomach. You cannot control the movement of your arteries and veins. You cannot control the movement of your urinary bladder muscles. Alright? So they are involuntary. You cannot control your cardiac muscles. Heart के muscles को हम control नहीं कर सकते हैं. Can we ask the heart that stop contracting, stop beating for 2 minutes? No, it is not under our will. So the classification, depending on your control, the first type over here will be voluntary muscles. Voluntary means under your will. Under will, you can control it, and the example over here will be of the skeletal muscle. Example will be the skeletal muscles because we can control them. They are under our will. The second one over here is the involuntary. Involuntary. Involuntary means not under your control, not under your will. So not under will. The examples in the involuntary muscles will be the cardiac muscles and the smooth muscles. Examples will be the cardiac muscles and the smooth muscles. So on the board now, all of you, the muscles can be prima facie classified into these three types. The first one is depending on the structure. The second one is depending on the location. The third one is depending on control. So striations, alternate light and dark bands present. Striations के साथ यहाँ पे लिख लो. Alternate light and dark bands present. If alternate light and dark bands are present, it is striations are present. That will be skeletal and cardiac muscles. Striations absent हैं तो smooth muscles. Depending on their location, bones के साथ associated है तो skeletal muscles, heart पे है तो cardiac muscles, internal visceral organs पे है तो smooth muscles. Depending on control, voluntary, if they are under your will, skeletal muscles. Involuntary, not under your will. You cannot control their activity. So cardiac and smooth muscles will come into involuntary. बहुत सारे MCQs हैं सिर्फ इस simple chart पे. How can you classify? Okay, striations will be present in which muscles? Skeletal and cardiac muscles. Striations will be absent in smooth muscles. Bones के साथ कौन से muscles associated होंगे? Skeletal muscle. Heart के साथ कौन सा muscle associated रहेगा? Cardiac muscle. Internal visceral organs के साथ कौन सा muscle associated रहेगा? Smooth muscle. Which are the muscles which are under your will, under your control? They are voluntary. They are the skeletal muscles. Which are the muscles which are not under your will? They are involuntary. They are the cardiac and smooth muscles. Alright, कौन सी cardiac muscles की कौन सी property है जो skeletal muscles के साथ match होती है? It is the presence of striations. See on the board, all of you. Cardiac muscles की कौन सी property है जो skeletal muscle के साथ match होती है? It is the presence of striations. Cardiac muscles की कौन सी property है जो smooth muscles के साथ match होती है? It is that involuntary in nature. Involuntary in nature, दोनों रहेंगे cardiac और smooth. So cardiac muscles are the in-between muscles. उसमें कुछ property skeletal muscle की है, कुछ property smooth muscles की है. ये हम अब और detail में देखेंगे. So do this chart, all of you, the basic classification of muscle. Now let us see the structure and the characteristics properties of the skeletal, the smooth and the cardiac muscle. लोकेशन के हिसाब से हमने जो क्लासिफाई किया था skeletal muscles, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. So we are going to draw the diagram of all these muscles and write their characteristic properties. The first one is skeletal muscle. The second one is smooth muscles. And the third one are the cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. So skeletal muscle को अगर हम देखेंगे, they will be present in the form of long cylindrical fibers. So their structure is going to be like this. Long cylindrical fibers of muscles. These are long cylindrical fibers. They are going to show alternate light and dark bands. Throughout this length of the muscle, alternate light or dark bands present रहेंगे. So striations will be present. See, these are the dark bands, alternate light and dark bands. Striations are present. So this is the structure of a skeletal muscle. Striations present, thin, long, cylindrical, alternate light and dark bands present. All of you should do this diagram. Chalo. So see now, alternate light and dark. I will write long, cylindrical, striations present. Striations is the presence of alternate light and dark bands. Now, the nucleus in these muscles is to the periphery. पेरीफेरी मतलब ये मसल सेल की मेम्ब्रेन है, यहाँ पे पेरीफेरी पे न्यूक्लियस रहेगी. See, it will be towards the periphery. ये सेंटर में नहीं रहेगी, सेंटर में नहीं रहेगी. This complete one long fiber is one muscle cell. Okay, so it is multinucleated. देखो, it is multinucleated. बहुत सारी न्यूक्लियस एक सेल में प्रेजेंट है. एक सेल में बहुत सारी न्यूक्लियस बोलेंगे multinucleated. And the nucleus is not in the center. अगर ऐसा सेल रहा और न्यूक्लियस सेंटर में रहा तो ये बोलते हैं न्यूक्लियस सेंटर में है. बट यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियस पेरीफेरी पे है, पेरीफेरी पे है, और एक नहीं है, बहुत सारे न्यूक्लियस हैं. Multinucleated, and the size is not round oval, it is long cylindrical. So all these are features which differentiate the skeletal muscle from the other cells in the body and the other muscles. So nucleus is at periphery. Multinucleated है, बहुत सारी न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट है. दे आर मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड. इस मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड की प्रॉपर्टी को बोलते हैं सिंसाइशियम. सिंसाइशियम, सिंसाइशियम मीन्स मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड. द न्यूक्लियस इज प्रेजेंट टुवर्ड्स द पेरीफेरी. इट इज मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड. बहुत सारी न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट है एक सेल में, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिंसाइशियम. ऑलराइट. एंड द सार्कोलेमा. सार्कोलेमा इज द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ दिस मसल सेल. जैसे किसी भी सेल की प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन होती है, मसल की प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन को सार्कोलेमा बोलते हैं. तो सार्कोलेमा इज डिस्टिंक्ट. देखो, ये एक सार्कोलेमा हम ट्रेस कर सकते हैं, दूसरा ट्रेस कर सकते हैं. तो सार्कोलेमा, दैट इज द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. आप लिख लो, दैट इज द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द मसल सेल. सार्कोलेमा इज डिस्टिंक्ट. हम अलग अलग ट्रेस कर सकते हैं सार्कोलेमा को. उसका लोकेशन ऊपर लिखो. इट इज एसोसिएटेड विद द स्केलेटन. Skeleton, and it is voluntary, under your will. So under will, voluntary. Write down all these points with the skeletal muscle. Striations will be present. It will be under your will. long, cylindrical. Nucleus is towards the periphery. Sarcolemma is well differentiated, distinct है. All right. This is under your control, so इसको बोलते हैं they are under somatic nervous system. Somatic means the under your will. It is under your control, associated with skeletal muscles. So somatic nervous system यहाँ पे लिख के रखो. What is somatic nervous system? What is autonomic nervous system? ये डिटेल में आगे करेंगे. But somatic means under your will. It will be associated with the skeletal muscles. It will be under your will, performing activities under your will. Now see, skeletal muscles की ये सारी properties की वजह से उनको बोलते हैं. What can be the other names जिससे skeletal muscle will be referred to? Because striations are present, it is also called striated muscle. Striated muscles. Because it is under will, it is voluntary, it is also called voluntary muscles. Also called voluntary, also called striated. Alright, all these are the names with the skeletal muscle. They are also called striated muscles. They are also called voluntary muscles. These are present in the form of long, thin, cylindrical fibers. Each fiber is going to show alternate light and dark bands. Striations present रहेंगे, so striated. They are under your will, so voluntary. Alright, and because they are associated with the bone, they are also called skeletal muscles. They are multinucleated, syncytium. Because ये somatic nervous system के control में है, they can also be called as somatic muscles. Somatic muscles. So all these alternate names with the skeletal muscle you should remember now. Alright, now let us see the smooth muscles. Let us see the smooth muscles now. The smooth muscles, as we had seen, they are going to be associated with your internal organs. So हमारे जितने भी internal organs हैं, उससे internal visceral organs से associated रहेंगे. Internal visceral organs. That is your stomach. You can write down the examples. Stomach, the alimentary canal, that is the digestive tract, your blood vessels, the urinary bladder, uterus, etc., etc., your eye muscles, all these are examples of smooth muscles. They will be present with your internal organs. अब smooth बोल रहे हैं मतलब striations absent. Striations will be absent and they are fusiform in shape. Fusiform or spindle shaped. Spindle shaped. They will have one thick central belly and tapering ends. ये देखो ऐसा structure रहेगा smooth muscles का. One thick belly and tapering ends. Thick belly and tapering ends. Central thick belly and tapering ends. Such will be the shape of the smooth muscles and they will have centrally placed nucleus. Centrally placed nucleus. See all of you. Single nucleus है. सेंटर में प्लेस्ड है, प्लेन है, स्ट्राइएशंस नहीं है. मैंने यहाँ पे स्ट्राइएशंस नहीं बनाए हैं. अल्टरनेट लाइट एंड डार्क बैंड्स एब्सेंट. स्ट्राइएशंस आर एब्सेंट. द शेप इज स्पिंडल शेप. इट इज फ्यूजिफॉर्म शेप. एक आई का शेप. सी द शेप ऑफ योर आई टेपरिंग फ्रॉम बोथ द एंड्स, फैट इन द सेंटर. सो सेंटर में थिक बेली, टेपरिंग एट द एंड, फ्यूजिफॉर्म शेप्ड, आई शेप्ड, स्पिंडल शेप्ड. All these are words with the smooth muscle. They will be uninucleated, single nucleus present है, and the nucleus is in the center, not in the periphery. So we will write all these points. uninucleated, nucleus is present in center, nucleus is in the center, striations absent, sarcolemma is not distinct. इनकी sarcolemma हम trace नहीं कर सकेंगे, is not distinct. And because they are not under our will, they are involuntary. So they are involuntary. ये point हम यहीं पे लिखेंगे. All right, I will just put it over here, involuntary. And they will be under the autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system के control में रहेंगे. चलो quickly देखो. Smooth muscles, because they don't have striations, they are also called unstriated muscles. Because of the absence of striations, ये plain है, smooth है. They are also called smooth muscles or plain muscles. They are also called fusiform muscles. They are also called belly-shaped muscles, or the muscles with a thick belly, thick central belly, लिख लो, with tapering ends. That is fusiform. They are not under our control, so they are also called involuntary muscles. Because they are present in the internal visceral organs, they are also called visceral muscles. They are also called visceral muscles. Because they are present in the internal visceral organs, they are also called visceral muscles. ये सारे names you will get in the MCQs with the smooth muscle. यहाँ पे skeletal के साथ striated, striped भी मिलेगा आपको. Stripes are present. Alternate dark and light, stripes are present. So striped muscles. Smooth muscles के साथ, now see uninucleated, see the thick central belly, the tapering ends, the fusiform shape, nucleus is present in the center, skeletal muscle में periphery पे थी. Sarcolemma is not distinct, it is under autonomic nervous system. The control is under autonomic nervous system. Now we will see the cardiac muscle. Now let us see the cardiac muscles. The cardiac muscles again will be long and cylindrical but branching. They will show branching. How will you draw this branching? Just draw the shape of Y, draw H. So you will show branching from the midline. So these muscles, they show branching. Branching present रहेगी. Long cylindrical रहेंगे but branched muscles रहेंगे. Important characteristic. And they will also show alternate light and dark bands. So striations, they will be present. Branching will be present. Alternate light and dark bands present रहेंगे. This will be present. Alternate light and dark bands will be present. So all these striations will be present. Alternate light and dark bands present, long cylindrical. Location will be the heart. Cardiac itself is telling you कि location heart रहेगा. चलो, let us write these points. They will be located in the heart. They will be involuntary, not under your will. Involuntary लिखा तो उसके साथ ही autonomic nervous system समझ जाओ, because autonomic nervous system is going to deal with the involuntary activities of the body. Then let us write long cylindrical. Let us write branching present. let us write about the nucleus. The nucleus is going to be single, uninucleated, uninucleated, and it is going to be present in the center. Nucleus is present in the center, not in the periphery. So uninucleated, nucleus is present in the center. एक fiber में एक ही nucleus रहेगी. But because of the branching, they appear to be multinucleated. Because of the branching, appearance मिलता है multinucleated का. Write this point down. Although cardiac muscles are uninucleated, they appear to be multinucleated because of the interspersed branching. Alright? And ये जो branching होती है, वो place पे जो thickened part रहता है जहां से branching होती है, they are called intercalated discs. So intercalated discs are present, which show this branching. Intercalated discs are present at these areas of branching. गन्ना देखा है आप लोगों ने, हर सेगमेंट के बाद एक thickened एरिया रहती है, उससे कंपेयर करते हैं intercalated discs को. So cardiac muscles, they are going to show branching. ये long cylindrical रहेंगे, striations present रहेंगे, striations present. Alright, striations I will write here. Striations are present, uninucleated हैं, involuntary हैं, sarcolemma not distinct. Sarcolemma, because of the branching, sarcolemma को trace नहीं कर सकते हैं, not distinct. Sarcolemma is not distinct. Sure. And autonomic nervous system. Autonomic in activity. अब देखो कार्डियक मसल्स के कौन से फीचर्स हैं जो उनको स्केलेटल मसल से सेम बना रहा है. One is the long cylindrical shape, the other is the presence of striations. Alright? स्मूथ मसल्स के कौन से कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं जिससे कार्डियक मसल सेम है, uninucleated, nucleus at the center. Alright? Involuntary in nature, ये सारे एक्टिविटीज, ये सारे कैरेक्टर्स हैं जो कार्डियक मसल के स्मूथ मसल्स के साथ हैं. तो कार्डियक मसल्स ये involuntary in nature. This feature is similar to smooth muscles. Uninucleated is similar to smooth muscles. Nucleus in the center is similar to smooth muscles. Involuntary is similar to smooth muscles. Whereas presence of striations is similar to skeletal muscle. Long and cylindrical is similar to skeletal muscle. So cardiac muscle में दोनों की properties हैं, skeletal muscle की भी, smooth muscle की भी. They will have mixture of properties of both the smooth muscle and the skeletal muscle. Now if we see the activity, if we compare the activity, skeletal muscle सबसे fast रहेंगे, skeletal muscle fast in activity रहेंगे, smooth muscles की activity slow रहती है, slow, and cardiac muscles की medium रहेगी, cardiac muscles की medium रहेगी. So now cardiac muscles को specifically अगर दूसरा नाम देना है तो branched muscles. ये branching is a characteristic which is seen only in the cardiac muscle, not in any other muscle. Intercalated disc, ये सिर्फ cardiac muscle में present है, not in any other muscle. So this is how we classify the muscles depending on their location. Skeletal, smooth, cardiac. इसी में उनका striations वाला part भी आ गया, depending on their structure. उनकी शेप क्या रहेगी, striations प्रेजेंट रहेंगे कि एब्सेंट रहेंगे, न्यूक्लियस का क्या रहेगा, सार्कोलेमा दैट इज द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द मसल, इसका क्या रहेगा. एंड इसी में हमने वो जो क्लासिफिकेशन था दैट इज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन कंट्रोल, सो वी हैव डन दैट आल्सो. डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कंट्रोल इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू वॉलंटरी एंड इनवॉलंटरी. So skeletal muscles will be under your will, voluntary. Smooth and cardiac muscles will not be under your will, involuntary. This is how we classify muscles. बहुत सारे MCQs. If you just make this chart, you understand the diagram, you write the alternate names, it will be solving all your MCQs. Alright?